Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to fix a loose cabinet door handle that keeps falling off. This Welsh dresser has got plenty of doorknobs all over the cabinet doors and drawers, and as you can see the doorknob on this side has completely come away. This particular type is just a screw through the back of the door and comes through, and then you just screw the wooden doorknob on, and you can see that it just goes round and round and round and then just falls off. Luckily there's a nice simple fix for this. What you're going to need today is a pair of pliers. You might need a screwdriver or a screw, but probably not. You're also going to need a box of matches and then a lovely cup of tea. And we'll have that at the end because this won't take long. I'm just going to open this cabinet door with my pliers. I'm just going to grip onto that exposed screw there and just pull the door open. Now on yours, you might be lucky and you can see the screw on the other side, the actual screw head, but on this one it is completely inbuilt, so you cannot even get to it. You might have one that's like this. If you have and you've just got a screw that's going round and round, you can just try a larger screw, one with a slightly wider width on it, and then this will grip the doorknob better. If not, then this next hack should definitely work. Take your wooden doorknob and a box of matches, take out one of the matches, and what you're doing is you're just pushing it into that hole as far as possible. Just push it in as far as possible. When it reaches the end, then just snap it off as close as you can to the edge. Any loose bits on the edge, just tap in with your pair of pliers or a flat bladed screwdriver. And what that's doing is just creating a bit more grip with that extra bit of wood inside the hole. So shut the cabinet door, push your wooden doorknob onto that exposed screw head, exactly where the hole was before, and just start screwing it on clockwise, and eventually you will feel it start to bite. Here it goes, it's just started biting now. It's getting tighter and tighter. Don't go crazy with this, just do it hand tight. Don't over tighten it because you could destroy the thread again. And there we go. Absolutely fabulous. Solid that is, that's not going anywhere. So that is a nice simple fix. If you find that your doors are a little bit hard to open, it's probably because you've got these magnetic strips which hold the door closed. You could try removing one of those. Or you could move these metal strips slightly up so you've only got half of it catching on the magnet. The other types of cabinet handles are like these, where you've got an actual bolt which screws straight into the knob. If that's broken, it's best off just to get a new bolt or a new doorknob. I'll tell you what, it's definitely time for that cup of tea. I hope that was useful. In the top right there's a link on how to keep your washing machine hygienically fresh, and in the top left how to keep your curtains super smooth on the curtain rails. That is a top tip. And in the bottom left how to clean your UPVC guttering so it stays cleaner for much longer.